4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to jump in and get the fronts done now and see if we can stop this pogo stick from shaking. Going to zoom in here for a step-by-step. So what you'll want to do is take this bolt out of here, drop it out of the ball joint. I undid my 3 13mm bolts on the top up here, and then I had my I had my E16, which is on the bottom right there, and you take that out completely to let that strut free, and then you got a 16mm here that you have to take out on the sway bar to get that guy out. And I need to push that through. I should have done that before I undid all this. This allows this to drop completely out, and we'll get it out here in just a second. Brian, I think I may have screwed myself. Got the bottom undone, got the top bolts undone, but my sway bar link has a ton of tension on it, which is right there. Listen, I'm all about making pretty videos, but I'd rather show you my screw up. So I did something out of sequence because I have got this, what do you call it, sway bar. So the sway bar link on here, I cannot get this SOB to let go. So I've actually got a ratchet strap on here pulling tension off the spring, and I've got it close. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a star socket in here and see if I can't just back that guy out. But that's the only thing that's holding me up on this thing. And you can see this front one, actually, I'm gonna be selling these springs. Our front one was probably blown out. So hopefully, as I shake everything around, I've got the right size. Oh, and I do. And by the way, it's actually pushing it out as I turn it. So we'll get that out of here and get it rocking. For those of you that do not know, everything with me in life revolves around ratchet straps. I know. Those of you that know me know well that I can get almost anything done with the ratchet straps. So let's go ahead and release the tension on this. That's going to be a good little pop. I even scared Petey there. So this strut is completely out, and the ST springs will go with that strut. Yes, it's going to need somewhat of a rebuild, but our light has gone down in the city outside. We have to take this apart, so we're going to have to compress this spring and do a few other things to it, but give me just a little bit of time here and we will get this taken apart for you. I'll put it on fast motion to get that, and I'll put a little bit more light out here so you That wasn't 15 minutes. Somebody told me it's 15 minutes. I was a bit longer than that. Just looking at this, we might need a little bit more height on that side. Let's look at this side over here. No, actually they're about the same. So maybe I did measure it right. I know you can't see because it's dark outside, but we're gonna get the other side real quick.